guys, welcome back to Tiffs Tip Tuesday. I know it's been a crazy week and 2 days, but guess what? We are back in full effect, and I'm here giving you this positive energy and vibration, because you know it's just a vibrant thing. So on today's episode of Tiffs Tip Tuesday, we are talking about hashtags, how to use them, how to be discovered. I have a lot of people who asked about this topic last time I talked about Tiffs Tip Tuesday. So, 1, use relevant hashtags for what you are putting out. So if you are talking about fashion, but your hair is looking all fleeky or whatever, guess what you can do? You can use fashion hashtags like OOTD, the day, outfit at night, whatever. You can use those hashtags along with the hashtags for hair, depending on how you did your hair. So say you got a cute outfit with Nike, right? You got a whole cute Nike outfit on, so you're gonna use Nike hashtags, right? Woman, Nike woman hash. Then if you got a cute perm rod set that's looking crazy cute, and you know people are gonna ask you about that, you put perm rod set styles, natural hair inspo, natural hair dreams, kinks you love, you know, unconditioned roots, my hair crush. You know, I got a bunch of hashtags. You know, I should make a little thing for y'all, a little magazine or ebook for that. But the more relevant your hashtags are to your content that you posted, the better your post will tip. Tip number 2, there is a way to use your hashtag. Put 5 big hashtags that a lot of people follow. So if it's in the millions, you want to put those first, right? I use 5 big, if I'm talking about more than one thing in that post, if I'm talking about my hair and fashion, 5 big hashtags for hair, 5 big hashtags for fashion, big hashtags for hair, which is in the thousands, high thousands, like 100K, 200K, whatever. And then 5 fashion big hashtags in the 200Ks, 100K. Then I'm going to go lower than that. 5 hashtags in the lower thousands, 5 hashtags in the lower thousand for each sector, right? Then we're going to go down to the lowest of lowest, which is in the hundreds. You're allowed 30 hashtags. If you divide it like that, it's called strategy, boo. It's not always just a cute picture. Another tip, my hashtags don't work. Are you using the same ones every time you post? And even if you switch a few of them out, if you are using majority of them at the same time, even if you switch out 3 or 4, granted, you got 30 hashtags that you use constantly, maybe 20 of them that you use constantly, you're only switching out maybe 10. That's still gonna be seen as you're using it too much. You need to have a bunch of different hashtags. You need to start looking at people that inspire you, that post do well, look at their hashtags and see what works for them and try it out with you. And if it works, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Tip number 5, you feel like you've been shadow banned, the hashtags aren't working. Guess what? People wouldn't even believe it, but my hashtags don't work all the time, especially for sponsored posts. You know what's been pushing me out there? Making sure my content has good quality footage, and that video, if it's a video, that cover photo is gonna stand out and be like, wow, let me see what she about to do. Ooh, what's she about to do? Let me click on that. And to be honest with you, the reason why those videos did well or those pictures did well is because it made it to the Explore page and people started looking at it from the Explore page. So I may have like 5,000 people looking at it from the Explore page, but no hashtag footage whatsoever. You can still get new people to see your stuff from the Explore page. Hashtags ain't everything. Ding, 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 ding. Discovery from people and brands just from the Explore page itself. So if you get on the Explore page, which most people get on the Explore page because when they post their video or picture, a lot of people started interacting in the first 10 minutes that they posted. So if you are posting, it's strategy. It really is strategy. Sometimes I just post to post and I don't care if it does well or not. And those are the ones that do extremely well, which is crazy. But at the end of the day, if you want to strategize, make sure you're posting at a time where a lot of people are on Instagram and ready to engage with your post. Okay, so if they're posting, say if you just post in the first 10 minutes and you already got, in the first 10 minutes, you got 70 likes and about 20 comments, your stuff gonna make it to the Explore page. Explore page loves quality, it loves bright, it likes color. Instagram loves color, brightness, good quality pictures. So it's gonna push your stuff better if you are out there, you know, doing the most or whatever. But yeah, those were my tips. And another tip that I have is if you feel like none of your posts or hashtags are working, you're not making it to the Explore page, now you are discouraged and you are aggravated and you just want to delete your whole account at this point. I know it could be frustrating. So if that doesn't work, take a few days off of posting. So I would say maybe 1 or 2 days. And when you do come back, use maybe 3 to 4 hashtags. But yeah, I don't know much about shadow ban. I don't think I've ever been shadow banned, but there has been times during the week where at least 2 of my posts do not have hashtags that are working. So it happens to all of us, and don't think you're alone when it does happen. So that's the end of Tiffs Tip Tuesday. I hope you learned something. If you have any more suggestions, put it in the little box right there, and we will see you next week Tuesday.